Excuse me, sir. I think I am very lost today.
Hello there. Do not worry because these streets are very confusing.
I am looking for the Central Art Museum. Is it far from here?
It is not very far. You're actually in the right neighborhood.
That is good news. I have been walking in circles for 20 minutes.
Many tourists do the same thing. The streets here are like a maze.
My map says I should be near a big fountain.
You passed the fountain 2 blocks ago. It is behind those blue houses.
Oh, I see. I must have turned left instead of right.
It happens to everyone. The signs are very small in the city.
I am Maya, by the way. I just arrived this morning.
Nice to meet you, Maya. My name is Oliver and I live here.
You are very kind to help me, Oliver.
I enjoy meeting new people. Helping is a pleasure for me.
Is the museum open on Mondays? I forgot to check.
Yes, it is open until 6 o'clock. You have plenty of time.
I really want to see the old paintings. They are very famous.
The gallery is beautiful. The light inside is perfect for art.
Should I walk straight down this road?
No, do not go straight. That road leads to the river.
I love the river, but I must find the museum first.
Let me look at your map again. I can draw a line for you.
Here is my pen. Please show me the way.
Okay, we are here. You need to go back to the bakery.
Is that the bakery with the red door?
Exactly, that is the one. Turn right at that corner.
And then what should I do?
Walk past the small park with the statues.
I remember that park. I saw it from the bus.
Perfect! You're starting to remember the way. Wait, there is a faster way to get there.
A shortcut would be wonderful. I am a little tired.
See that narrow alley between the stone buildings?
Yes, the one with the white flowers on the windows?
Go through that alley. It is a very quiet and beautiful path.
Is it safe to walk there alone?
It is very safe. Many local people use it every day.
Thank you. I like exploring hidden parts of the city.
At the end of the alley, you will see a big library.
Is the library the white building with the pillars?
No, that is the bank. The library is made of red bricks.
Okay, red bricks for the library. I will remember that.
The museum is right across the street from the library.
So it is very easy to find from there.
Yes, you cannot miss it. It has a giant glass entrance.
My sister told me about the glass door. It is very modern.
It is a mix of old stone and new glass.
I am getting excited now. I can almost see it.
How long are you staying in our city, Maya?
I am staying for 3 days. Then I go to the mountains.
You must visit the old castle too. It's on the hill.
Is the castle difficult to find?
No, you can see it from everywhere. Just look up.
I will go there tomorrow morning.
Take the bus number 5. It goes to the top.
Thank you for the tip. You know everything about this place.
I have lived here for 10 years. It's a great city.
I can see why you like it. The people are very friendly.
We try our best. Enjoy your walk through the alley.
I am ready for my adventure. Is there a good cafe near the museum?
There is a wonderful cafe called the Bluebird.
That is a cute name. What do they have there?
They have the best apple pie in the world.
I love apple pie. I will go there after the museum.
It is behind the big clock tower.
Is the clock tower very tall?
Yes, it is the tallest building in the square.
Can I hear the bells from here?
You will hear them at noon. They are very loud.
It is almost noon now. I should move fast.
Don't worry, you have 5 minutes.
Look at my phone. The GPS is finally working.
What does the blue dot say?
It says the museum is only 500 meters away.
That is exactly what I told you. The technology agrees with me.
You are better than a phone, Oliver.
Thank you. I don't need a battery to work.
I prefer talking to people. It is more interesting than a screen.
I agree completely. You learn more about the soul of the city.
Is there a market nearby? I want to buy some fruit.
The market is next to the library.
Perfect. I can buy an orange for my lunch.
They have fresh strawberries today, too.
I love strawberries with yogurt.
You can find everything in the central square.
Is the square very crowded at this time?
There are many people, but it is a happy crowd.
I like the energy of a busy city.
Then you are in the right place.
You should take your umbrella out. The sky is getting gray.
Oh, do you think it will rain soon?
It often rains for 10 minutes in the afternoon.
I have a small umbrella in my bag.
That is good. You don't want to be wet in the museum.
Is it cold inside the museum?
No, they have a heater. It is very cozy.
I will keep my scarf on. It is my favorite color.
Blue is a very nice color for you.
Thank you. My mother made this scarf for me.
She's very talented. It looks very warm.
It is very soft. I wear it every winter.
Be careful with your bag in the crowded square.
Is it dangerous there?
No, but you should always watch your things.
I have my bag in front of me.
That is a smart way to carry it.
I also have my money in a hidden pocket.
You are a very experienced traveler, Maya.
I learned a lot from my previous trips.
Experience is the best teacher.
I think I hear the bells now.
Yes, that is the clock tower. It is exactly noon.
It sounds like a giant music box.
I love that sound. It reminds me of my childhood.
Did you grow up in this city?
No, I grew up in a small village near the forest.
That sounds very peaceful and quiet.
It was, but I prefer the life in the city.
I understand. There is always something to do here.
Okay, Maya, let's review the path one more time.
Yes, please. I don't want to get lost again.
Walk to the bakery with the red door.
Turn right and walk past the park.
Then find the narrow alley with the white flowers.
Walk through the alley to the red brick library.
And the museum is right in front of you.
Red door, park, alley, library, museum.
You have a very good memory.
I am repeating it in my head.
You will be there in 10 minutes.
Thank you so much for your time, Oliver.
It was my pleasure to help a traveler.
If you ever come to my country, I will help you.
Where are you from, Maya?
I am from a small town in Brazil.
I would love to visit Brazil one day.
The weather is always warm and sunny there.
That sounds like a dream to me.
We have beautiful beaches and great music.
I will remember that. Maybe next year.
I should go now. The museum is waiting.
Have a wonderful time looking at the art.
I will take a photo of the glass door.
Take a photo of the clock tower too.
I will. It is a beautiful landmark.
Do you have enough water for your walk?
Yes, my bottle is full. I am ready.
Great. Enjoy the rest of your day, Maya.
Goodbye, Oliver. Thank you again.
Goodbye, Maya. Have a safe trip.
I am waving my hand. See you.
I am waving back. She is a very nice person.
I am walking toward the red door now.
She is going in the right direction this time.
The bakery smells like fresh bread.
I should buy some bread too.
I am turning right at the corner.
She did it. She remembered the turn.
The park is full of children playing.
The sun is coming out again. The rain is gone.
I see the narrow alley now. It is very beautiful.
I am finishing my coffee. It is still warm.
The white flowers are very sweet.
I am walking back to my office.
I can see the red library at the end.
I have a lot of work to do this afternoon.
And there it is, the giant glass door.
I am happy I could help her find her way.
I am standing in front of the museum.
This city is full of surprises.
I am taking a big breath. The air is fresh.
Helping others makes the day better.
I am opening my bag to get my ticket.
I hope she enjoys the paintings.
This is going to be a great day.
I am entering my building now.
I am walking inside the modern entrance.
Life is a long journey.
And I found my way